קיצור, כן, הקטלוג נראה מאוד יפה. עכשיו רק, now the catalog looks good, really good. Now only, we need to know the technical stuff, how to at least roughly calculate the cost, and different options and different materials, like everything. Whatever info you can give us that will help us sell it,
Okay.
price it.
Okay, I'm opening your price list right now. You see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, let me just get your price list.
Yeah, only one. No, I want you to look at it.
All right. Okay, so here we go. Let's see. Where's my screen? You see my screen, right?
Yeah.
All right, so let's start here. We scroll down. This is Alu 4020, right?
Okay, yeah, I have it here.
They can see from that far away. Yeah.
Yeah, they can see it. They can see it.
I'm coming with
All right, so this is Alu 4020. Alu 40 is it goes, the zero basically is just the name. If you remove the zero, it is 4, and 4 stands for 4 inches, and same thing for the 20. The 20 is 2-inch slant. So if you can see here, the 20 is smaller, more modern looking. This is the 20, and then this is the 40, and then you have the 40 in wood grain and the 40 in wood grain. This is the best seller. People love this the most. Exactly this model right here. This is #1 seller right here. Alu 40, and the gap right here on this catalog is 3/8 to 1/2-inch gap. That's the most popular, 3/8 to 1/2-inch gap. You can do any gap size you want. Now, you do have vertical here, but I do want to say something about vertical. Vertical gates, they cost the same money, but if you do vertical fence, is a problem. Why? You see, horizontal, there's no frame. This is a slant right here.
Yeah.
If you do vertical, you need to do a frame like the gates. So you need to put something on top. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So you might want to, here, you see this? Here's a vertical. So there's a frame, and then there's a frame here too, you see?
Yeah.
So it's a bit more work, and it costs more. So you
Okay, something simple. What is the price including installation of this standard gate? The standard gate,
okay.
right?
So this gate right here, it's called Alu 40.
There's no wood.
No, what did you ask me for?
I'm asking, what's this? Like I ask him the regular standard size of a gate.
It's 3 feet, 3 to 4 feet standard size.
Okay.
You don't understand your question?
It's a very basic question.
Okay. So Alu 40, right? Alu 40.
Yeah.
Alu 40 gate.
I have a question. What's his name?
Roni.
Ronnie, I have a question. The material is aluminum, right?
Yes.
Yeah, maybe explain about the material, like the type of aluminum, the advantages compared to
So
other.
here, right here. The aluminum is premium aluminum alloy. So we use, here, look. You see, it's cut. Oh, here, you see those round pieces?
Yeah,
That's how the aluminum comes from Dubai. And this is our factory in US. So we know exactly what the aluminum is. So when you see here premium, it's because we use premium alloy, and the premium alloy is 6063-T5. This is number, this is architectural number, is the highest grade for aluminum for fences that you can do. Okay?
Yeah.
So it's engineered for strength and durability. The 6 series is a strong aluminum, and then T5, it's called the temper. Temper is this big oven here, this green oven is where we put the pieces inside for 4 hours, and it makes it stronger. So that's what the T comes for, T for temper. So that's regarding the aluminum, the aluminum, and then
aluminum is better than metal?
so if customer asks you exactly that, which will they ask you? You tell them aluminum is used for building airplanes, for building cars, and metal, you're not going to see a metal car or a building or an airplane because metal rusts. So the biggest thing with metal that it rusts, and aluminum does not rust. And the second most important is metal is 3 times heavier.
Yeah.
So why you don't want heavy gates? You tell them because you don't want stress. You don't want stress on the hinges. You don't want stress on the motor, and then the earth shifts, and then everything start moving, and it's really hard to fix. Another thing is, yeah.
Well, no, it's regarding that. One more question. So since aluminum is lighter than metal, many of the clients say, ask for the gate, what is the widest we can go? So with aluminum, I know it's up to 4.5 feet wide, and that's with the risk to put a lot of stress on the hinges. But with aluminum, what's the widest without, with being basically not taking too much risk?
Okay, here. This is a 6-foot pedestrian door.
Okay.
So you can do up to 6 feet. And then this is 7 feet, 8 feet high. This is an entry of a house. You see, it's really tall. So height, you can do any height. And width, you can do with swing, you can do up to 6 or a double like this of 12.
Yeah, 6 and 6.
6 and 6, but we have 2 different frame system. This is the heavy duty. You see with the 45. Let me show you something.
Oh.
There's 2 different systems that we offer.
Yeah.
Ah, shit, you guys don't have it on yours.
Oh, shit.
So we need the new catalogs.
Yeah, you don't have it on your catalog. All right, never mind. Look, yeah.
I thought he knew.
Oh, here, you have it here. This is the contractor line. You see this beam? And this is the DIY line. So 2 different systems. This can go up to 6 by 6. This is the biggest. 6 by 6 or 12 by 6. This is max. And this one, you can go any height you want. And the width, you can stretch it to 7, so 14 feet. Okay?
All right. And also it's powder coated, right?
Yeah. No, I want to show you the frame. This is the heavy duty frame, and this is the light frame. You see, the frame is only big on the sides, and the top is small. You see that? So that's the two different frames. You see, universal and HD contractor. That's the frame. So to answer her question, on the contractor line, you can go up to 7 feet wide by 9 feet height. And on the DIY, you can go up to 6 wide by 6 foot height. Max.
So the heavy duty can have a bigger opening.
Yes.
But it has a thicker frame.
Same like with the 4K and the standard for Patio cover, basically.
Yes, it's powder coating. And if you want to know the right name for it, I don't know if you need to go into that detail, but it's called AA this. We use
No, powder
a,
coat.
a special powder coating.
What is the warranty for the product? How do you do the
Warranty is, I will show you 1 second. Let me open it. I think I have it here.
Dennis, can you make some notes? So we can put it in a minute.
Not here.
Warranty, price, it's a good stuff too.
I need to call it to and then to sound.
Okay. I'm sending you on the WhatsApp to the group.
Okay.
Basically, you tell them limited lifetime warranty. That's how you propose it.
Limited is the most important thing of this warranty.
Yes.
What happens if there is a scratch or something like that?
Scratch is not a warranty. Scratch is something they did. If they did it, we touch it up.
Okay, so there is a way to touch up scratches.
Yeah.
Does it cost money to send somebody to patch it up?
Yes, of course. What do you mean? If the customer scratched it?
Say it again?
Who scratched the gate?
I don't know.
Say furniture they try to bring in.
Let's say.
Doesn't matter, there is a scratch. Not in the installation.
Not in installation. Someone needs to pay for it. What if you put a pergola and the kid hanged on something, I don't know, and something flew on the pergola and scratched the pergola?
Okay, so there is a way to patch it. Also the old colors or just the black?
No, the wood color, you cannot reverse it. So that's something the customer needs.
That's important.
No, there's no way to touch it up. So if they have dogs or something, not the best idea. Okay. Here's the warranty. The lifetime, 10 years on cracks, warping, failure, blah, blah, blah. 5 years on fading.
Can you send it to the group?
Yeah. Lifetime on rust. Nothing will rust ever.
Okay.
All right. You like that one?
Yeah,
Like,
and so and okay, the customer asks you, is it like How scratch resistant is it?
No, it's very scratch resistant. Here, look.
Don't break anything.
Look, nothing. I'm hitting it with metal.
Okay, we believe you. Don't break it.
So there's a little bit, but, and that's it, done. It's clean. So it's 10 times stronger than like paint, like normal paint, right?
Question,
You don't see it. You don't see the scratches
if cars are made from aluminum, how come they get scratched?
because they don't have this coating. The cars are gloss.
Oh, so this.
Because-
Okay.
Yeah, the cars are not matte like this. They're not, your car's not textured. If the cars were textured, it'll be really ugly. And then when you wash your car, it won't gloss. This is not gloss, it's textured. So there's a little bit like a grind. So the cars, they do it gloss, shining. But the cars are not powder coated. Who said the cars are powder coated? I said the cars are aluminum.
No, I said they're aluminum.
Yeah, they're aluminum, but the aluminum is the raw material inside. This.
I see. So the coat is what covers, is what protects.
But this is not the same like cars. Cars are not powder coated. Cars are sprayed. Powder coated is like your rims, the rims of the car.
Okay.
Those are powder coated. Those are not scratching easy. But the car itself is sprayed in a spray booth.
What is the most popular color you sell? Black?
Okay, we are 90% selling black, and we push everyone to black because we can install very fast the black.
What you can do, very good.
So,
Yeah.
what
So
is the supply time?
right now, next week install.
Really?
Yeah, but it depends on the model. Alu 40, this one, next week install. Alu 20, 2 weeks.
That's what you know.
And you,
Uh,
we need to take care of concrete footings, whatever you need before you come to install, or you do it as well as part of.
no, the footings for the gate, like what? This, the post here going into concrete?
No, for this one you don't need footings because you have the concrete. But let's say if there are pavers, can you install it on top of pavers, or you need concrete footings?
No, okay, so if it's pavers and you have a wall like this, I'm okay. But let's say if this walkway right now was pavers, I will not be able to do what we did here. I will need to break 2 pavers, put my post inside, cement, finish the cement below surface, 4 inches below surface, and then you gotta bring your paver guy back to
Yeah,
pass around my post.
sounds good. So you take care of the installation and maybe we're gonna have some patches to do after you.
Yeah, yeah.
Us to also demo the old gates and fence, or do you take care of that with the price?
No, we take it.
Nice.
And do you send somebody to see the project before the installation day, or?
Yeah, to measure.
Okay, good. So we can figure it out everything in the measurement. So,
What's the
do you have any question about I want to understand roughly how we can price it. Like let's go back to like a standard gate. It's something that we sell.
I would
40,
say-
I'm 40.
Yeah, let's just focus on the most popular
I'm
one.
40, yeah.
Yeah,
Horizontal.
1900 installed right here. Look.
1900 for a standard gate, 4 feet,
Yeah, 4x6.
including removing the old one.
Install.
Yeah.
Material.
Yeah,
Ah, it's just an install. Okay.
no, the gate and installation.
So like, oh, 1900?
not bad.
Good,
Good,
yeah,
yeah.
competitive.
Wooden,
How wide,
wooden metal, 1500, and the wood, the
how wide for the gate,
How wide
6 feet.
for 1900, Roni?
What? 6 foot high.
no,
Six-
how wide?
How wide?
Oh, 4. It's here. You have this also on the WhatsApp.
Okay, and what is the 6x6? Let's say somebody wants a massive gate, 6x6.
$100.
What about 100? No.
2,000.
Oh,
Okay,
That's
question, and how much per linear for fence when let's say 100 linear feet fence, 6 foot high?
Not linear, square feet. Right here. I'm doing it right now. Look. So let's say I have a gate here, right? 4x6, you see? And then 2 small fences on the sides.
small panels, yeah.
Uh-huh. Look, 1 second. So look, 25 is, let's say, 2 feet by 6, 2 feet by 6. I have 2 times 6, right?
Yeah.
Times 2, 24 squares times 27. These 2 panels are $648.
27 square feet. That's the answer we need.
Yeah.
87 per foot, actually, it's including the demo, the installation and the supply.
Yes.
That's good.
It's exactly,
Yeah.
So like this, 100 times 6, 27 times 27, 16,000 is 100 feet with the demo and the install and the concrete and everything. You understand what I did?
What's that, 16,000?
100 feet.
100 feet of 6 feet, 6
6
feet
feet
high.
high.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Now,
About if the customer wants a different color, let's say the wood.
so you do plus 15%.
Okay. So black is the
Oh, the wood is here. It's here, 30. So 100 times 6 times 30. 18.
What is
This
that,
is
30 with wood?
This is for woodland.
Ah, okay. So
Woodland.
it's for metal and the woodland is 30. And this.
Now, one thing to know, let's say you had 100 feet and then you had 3 gates and then another 50 feet. Then you call Roni and you ask for a better price.
Oh, okay.
for the big.
Now you did the biggest mistake of your life.
No,
You know Tal, you see Tal?
Yes.
She's going to call you a lot.
She's a hustler. She's like the.
no, if it's a big job, I'll ask for a discount. If no, then I will respect the what you gave us.
Yeah. If it's big, then look, let's say Tal now is selling in Newport Beach, maybe not Newport Beach, in Irvine. Here, we're doing tomorrow on Monday, we're opening 400 feet. So 400 feet times 6 times 27 is a lot of money. So we might have room to give Tal some discounts.
400 feet, I want to close them.
Yeah. So, but this is how it goes, right? You make a little draft. This is an order, you see? This is an order of a company just like yours. This is what the sales guy did. He put the address, he draw the left side, the right side, and he put the design he wants and the color and the gap. And he submit this like 4 days ago, and we're installing it next week. So you don't have to get to this level, but this will be nice if you
Another complicated.
you can just draw it on a piece of paper.
The 30 per square foot is for the IPE and the peak.
What IPE? It's wood-like.
Yeah, I'm talking about the color, yeah, relax.
Yeah, it's the color, yeah. It's like this, you see.
Okay, I wanna know if there are different colors.
You see it?
It's called the Ipe color.
Yeah, actually the Ipe is done, but we have two more colors look just like it. It's just the name. It's just the name. We made it up. So it doesn't really matter. But here, wood like fence, $30. Wood like gate, 2000. Wood like gate, 6x6, 22. It's only $100 to $200 difference. That's all.
Oh, yeah, so I need to look at the prices. Okay, sounds good, you have everything there.
And I have a question. When your guys coming for the measurements, they discuss with the customer on the opening, which side is the handle and all this kind of stuff, because that's a lot of time that's where we have issues with. Or the customer, oh, I wanted it to open to the other side, I wanted the handle in the other side.
The sign on the beginning. The sign on the project manager.
So that's what I'm asking, who is taking care of these details? We like Roni's installers, or we need to make sure?
So, as you know, installers in California don't speak English. You, the, the salesman needs to know what the customer wants.
Okay.
So,
It's our responsibility, yeah. Okay, I just.
yeah, when the salesman sells it,
The template, what exactly you want, and give it to the client, please confirm. Yeah, that's it.
Roni, do you also supply motors for the gates? In case needed?
yes, and, we work with LiftMaster. This is a sliding gate.
Let's talk about the electrical gate for a moment, if you don't mind.
Tell me on the motor, LiftMaster, you have a better prices than garage door stores, suppliers over there?
What's your price?
No, we pay the same like him. We don't care. We don't even care. We tell the customer you can buy your motor yourself. But I do have an account with an Italian motor, and it's half the money, like half the price.
How much?
So a normal motor costs you installed like 3,500. That motor will cost you installed 2,500. The LiftMaster costs 2,500. So with the Italian motor, you got the motor installed for the price of the motor itself. I'm looking on your price list, and you guys have the old one. Let me send you the new one. It's missing models. 1 second.
Do your installers also install, do the full installation with the motor, with the railing, everything?
We do the motor, we do intercom system. Let me show you. Yeah, everything you want. But when it comes to the motor, there's really important details to know, and I'll show you right now. Let me send you the updated one. Here. I want to show you this too. We just finished this. It's a pergola. It's a counter pergola with louver system. Look.
Wow.
Wait, you do that?
Yeah, this is cantilever post, heater, fan, spotlights, and these roof open, and this behind is this. You guys have it right here. Look,
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, he's also doing pergolas.
this is our cladding system. This one right here. This one, clad 120, and the thick color. We put it here, you see, for the TV.
So, Roni, you installed the pergola as well, right?
Everything, the TV, the lights, everything.
Approximately to us. Something like that, you remember?
Yeah, $120 a square, but not cantilever, louver with motors.
Question,
And
Open and close it.
other pergolas are like $65 a square. Like no, I'll show you here. Look, you have here. This one is louver like this. It opens and closes, right? You have other pergolas with the foam,
Insulated.
and this one is like $65 a square. The slats.
Is it 4K, right? Is it 4K?
It's like the.
No, it's ours.
Wow, okay.
wait, can I say something, please? This is something important for all of us if we care about.
Uh-huh.
If it's less than 250 square feet, clients are going to buy this type of material from Home Depot and other places because it's much cheaper and they get almost the same product. If it's a big costly one like that, they can buy it because they don't offer it.
It's custom.
Exactly, but it's custom.
Yeah.
So if it's a smaller one, we should always accompany it custom, that's different. And also if it's cantilever, it's engineering, bigger footings and stuff like that. So it's.
And Roni, do you have like a lot of these pergolas? It's a nightmare to get the permits and engineering and all this stuff.
No, we can do it for you. Engineering is $1,500 to $2,000, sometimes less. Let's say this project right here, you see this?
Uh-huh.
With no engineer and no permits. Because it's just attaching to the house and it's open roof, nothing special. The posts are attaching to this, to this footing here. And the guy paid it was 16 by 12, I think, 192. And the contractor paid 192. He paid $46 a square.
Wow,
The contractor.
How much?
$46 a square.
That's the contractor, how much he pays.
This one.
Is it louver?
No.
No louver, just slats.
Just lattice, yeah. Yeah, that's nice. That's not a bad price at all for.
Just lattice. He paid $46.
26.
46.
When you go black and never go back.
What if you do a solid roof? What do you use? What kind of roof?
You can do this one, the white one, or wood look. Also wood look.
What we
This one.
Which company?
Yeah, you got cedar, you got ipe, and you have white. White is this one.
How much per square foot for those?
Let's see. I want to say approximately somewhere between 50 to 65. I think 65 with the solid roof. But we can double check.
So the solid roof costs more than the slates?
Yes, because you need gutters.
Yeah, but you have much more material in the like aluminum material in the slates.
I know, but how much you pay now for 4K with this roof, you know?
Between 50 to 60, I would say.
How much? What?
Between 50 to 60 a square.
So same numbers, same money. On this, we're the same money like the 4K installers.
Yeah. And your louver system?
The louver system between 80 to 100 to 120 depends.
Okay.
Depends on the size.
Which kind of system do you use? Your own system or?
No, we use our own frames and we use 4-season, it's called.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got you. And I have a question. Can you give us more details about the sidings?
But 1 second, question. The louver system you guys installed today, is it a licensed contractor or no license?
So we work both ways. Sometimes we always use a licensed contractor, but if the customer doesn't want to do permits, so we don't do it under our license. We move the project to like straight to you, and we give the price. We set the price, and you deal straight with the customer if you don't mind doing it without permits, and we get the kickback.
I got it.
So it depends on the customer. If the customer wants to do with permits, we take it under us and we deal with the permits and inspections and everything.
Okay.
It depends on the customer. Can
One sec. Let me show you this.
Oh, these are also the like the fence with the how do you call it?
Cable railing.
Railing?
No, it's
Cable.
anyone recognizes this house? Is it not your friend?
This one?
Shomron guy?
No, I don't know this guy.
He lives in your area.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Okay, so let me show you something important about motors. Look,
Yeah.
if you have a gate, do you guys do a lot of double swing motors or no?
Oh, we don't do a lot of motors, honestly, right?
No.
It's here and there.
Okay, so let's say this is a sliding gate, right? And the motor is sitting right here. Okay, this is a motor. You need power right here, and we do not do that.
Yeah, we take care of the outlet.
Okay,
So we need to put one outlet near to the motor, near the motor.
not outlet, just the PVC, the PVC pipe sticking out of the ground
Oh, okay.
with the three wires. That's it.
Yeah, okay.
And we will tell you where this is, where exactly this needs to be.
Just the PVC, so no.
And it needs to be on a separate breaker?
Technically, yes, but I don't care.
Okay.
Okay.
Can you
And
give
then
quick details about the sidings? Because that's a product that we can also, there is a lot of demand.
yeah, so sidings, we have two sidings. This system, it's tongue and groove. You see, this tongue connects to this groove. The look is the same. They're just limited colors. They're just Ipe, oak, and black.
No?
And antique too, yeah. One second. This is the black. This is the Ipe. And let me see if I have the tick here. Now your magazine is limited.
I will bring samples from you.
Yeah. And then this is the click system. It's a little bit more expensive, but we have more colors. The price for this, where's your new price? Oh, here, this one. This is the new one. Yeah, here, use this one. You see, it has more models. Oh, we gotta put you the cladding system. The cladding system, it's between 27 to 29 installed.
For square feet?
Yeah.
Okay. And you guys install it also?
Yeah.
You can install it on like existing stucco.
Yeah, existing stucco is the easiest.
And it's like it's waterproof to go like
The Starco is
Yeah, if you go with the models with the tongue, these one all have it's waterproof.
And does it fade from the sun or it's resistant?
It's better than anything you'll put on the house. Better than composite, better than wood. It fades up to 15% within 20 years.
Got you.
But if you, okay, there's something important to know. There's a new law coming in. So the law says in California, if this is, when we find a house, right here. You see the house is here, right?
Yeah.
The first 5 feet of the house.
You need to have a fire resistant material.
Yeah, that's it. So finito. Composite, no.
Yeah,
Vinyl, no. Wood, no. Only aluminum.
It's
Or
called,
metal.
it's like a dense glass. It's called dense glass.
Yeah.
Like a yellow, it's yellow sheets of like drywall.
Yes, I think they're gonna drop composite. If they didn't drop it, they will drop it. But the composite cladding will be probably history when it comes to
So
California.
your material also requires the fire resistant, or it's like stucco, not required?
No, my material is fire resistant. Look.
Okay. So it saves. So basically, it saves the dense glass installation.
Yeah, it's fine. You don't need anything.
Got
If you put on the permit, you're putting aluminum cladding, they will not require anything else. Just put the water paper, that's it.
Okay, sounds good. Listen, we need to finish the meeting, unfortunately, but we already got most of the information. Like I told you, I'm coming to your area. When are you planning to come to LA again?
To be honest, I have a show and I'm supposed to go to Vegas. I don't know what's gonna be because it's Yom Kippur right in the middle of the show.
Oh.
And then I was supposed to go to LA, but I don't know. Just keep in touch with me.
Okay, I'm coming on October 9th to your area. So I will talk to you before, and maybe you can get me like a few kits with the samples of the colors and stuff, so we can show customers.
Yeah, but I'll give it to you in LA.
Okay. So yeah. So if you can get it in LA,
Yeah.
it's easier.
Okay, cool.
All right, man. So yeah, we'll start working with your product. It sounds like a win-win.
Yeah, all the sales guys can ask questions and confirmation on the WhatsApp, and then we can kind of like say, hey, yeah, you did the calculation right, and then like, hey, help me calculate this.
I will add everybody. Kamis, make sure to add everybody to the WhatsApp group. You will be. Okay, Roni, good to see you, man.